Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how to convert 1/4 to a percent. Now, when we convert a fraction to a percent, we can start by dividing the numerator, the top number of the fraction, by the denominator, the bottom number of the fraction. This will give us a decimal. Once we have that decimal, we convert it to a percent by multiplying it by 100. And a quick way to multiply by 100 is to move the decimal twice to the right. So we need to start by converting this to a decimal by dividing. So for 1/4, we can set this up as 1 divided by 4. Now we need to go through the division process. So we have 1 divided by 4. How many whole groups of 4 in 1? How many 4s in 1? Well, we can't do that. So we need a decimal and a 0 in order to work through this. Once we have the decimal and the 0, we can bring the decimal straight up into where the quotient, the answer, will be. Now we can think of this as 10 divided by 4. So how many whole groups of 4 in 10? Well, 2. That gets us to 8. So we need a 2 above the 0 here. And make sure that 2 is above the 0, since we used that 0 and thought of this as 10 divided by 4. That will line us up correctly. Now we multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2. We don't have a clean-cut 0 there at the bottom quite yet, so we can use another 0 that we can bring down. And now we have 20. I'm going to extend the division bar here. And now we have 20 divided by 4, which gives us 5. So we put 5 up here, multiply. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract. 20 minus 20 is 0. So now we have that clean-cut 0 at the bottom and nothing else to bring down within our problem. So we are done. 1/4 equals 25 hundredths. Now we need to convert this decimal to a percent by multiplying it by 100. And again, we can do this by moving the decimal twice to the right. So let's rewrite 25 hundredths off to the side and move the decimal once, twice to the right. So we end up with 25, 25%. 1/4 equals 25%. So there you have it. There's how to convert 1/4 to a percent. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.